Dell EMC CloudIQ is a cloud-based solution that has traditionally focused on proactive monitoring and predictive analytics. Through consolidated telemetry for all kinds of Dell EMC infrastructure and advanced algorithms, CloudIQ has helped customers to reduce risk, plan ahead, and improve productivity. However, the latest release includes new functionality that will fundamentally change how CloudIQ is used: the REST API and webhooks. CloudIQ was great at producing insights about the infrastructure, but now we can build powerful automation workflows that act upon those insights. In this demo, we will use webhooks. These are messages that CloudIQ can deliver to another application with the details of the event. Let's take a quick tour of the interface before exploring some use cases. The new webhooks interface can be found under Admin. Adding a webhook is as easy as providing a display name and the URL of the recipient application. We can also select what systems to notify about. This allows us to create different targets for different sets of systems, for example, production and DR. The Test Webhook button is a convenient way for developers to test connectivity. Here we see what events have been delivered for this webhook. Clicking on an individual event shows the payload that was sent. This includes ID and model of the source system for the event, as well as the related health score information. The New Issues section of the payload provides more details about the event. CloudIQ also sends a webhook when an issue is resolved, which allows us to better manage the incident's lifecycle. Developers can use the Redeliver option to test their code instead of having to artificially generate issues in the live environment. For our demo, we have built a simple Python application that listens to incoming webhooks and runs our workflow. Organizations rely on incident management systems as part of IT operations. A very popular choice nowadays is ServiceNow. This is the incident tool in ServiceNow. Let's redeliver this event. Our application receives the webhook and creates a new incident with the details of the payload. We can set the severity based on the health score impact of the event. We can assign the incident to the relevant team based on the source and nature of the event. Another use case is automated remediation. If an event requires immediate attention and an automated remediation is possible, we can trigger the remediation workflow when a webhook is received. We can do this in addition to incident management. For example, this alert tells us that the file system is full. In the storage array, we can see that the current size of the file system is 420 gigabytes. If we redeliver this webhook, our app will attempt to extend the file system immediately by using the storage array's REST API. After the automated remediation, the file system is 10 gigabytes larger. In ServiceNow, we see that an incident was opened, but after successfully extending the file system, the application closed the incident by itself. For events that are not so urgent, a human confirmation might be preferable. We could notify the relevant operations team in a collaboration tool such as Microsoft Teams. The notification will contain a button to execute the remediation. Engineers can then perform the remediation even if they are not at their desks by using the Teams mobile app. We will create the notification in this channel using the Teams REST API. This event shows a file system with 16 hours before it runs out of capacity. Let's resend it. After receiving the webhook, the app creates a new incident. The incident is still open. A card in Teams has also been created with the same details. And the button allows an engineer to execute the remediation. The incident is now closed. And the file system has been extended. CloudIQ has traditionally provided insights about the infrastructure. With the new webhook functionality, we can now build powerful automation workflows to act upon those insights. Thanks for watching.